Welcome to this tutorial on modifying element content using innerHTML and text content in JavaScript. HTML elements are the building blocks of web pages, and understanding how to modify them is essential for any web developer. innerHTML returns the HTML content of an element as a string. It includes all child elements. Text content returns the textual content of an element as a string. It excludes any HTML tags. To update an HTML element using innerHTML or text content, we can simply assign a new value to the property. When working with nested elements, we can use innerHTML to update the content of all child elements at once. When using innerHTML or text content, make sure to escape any HTML characters in your new content. Use innerHTML or text content sparingly. They can have performance implications. In this tutorial, we covered the basics of modifying element content using innerHTML and text content in JavaScript. To further improve your skills in modifying element content, try experimenting with different scenarios and edge cases. Thanks for watching this tutorial. You now have the skills to confidently modify element content using innerHTML and text content in JavaScript.